My people, this one a short message, just 30 minutes or 1 hour, because now work I did so. Make we shine our eye again. They don't come again. Yesterday night, I did look one video where one lady they do. I tried to tell the girl, say these people they before one night. Is she continue to they ask me why, but I write her 2 times, I stop. Una go remember na this year to that day Nigeria when one man, whether they show one man picture, whether they show they can't carry gun, different gun, they can't they beat the boy, the guy can't they say I beg go my brother, may you bring the money oh. They say on the 8th, I be on the 10th, it might be the deadline. If they don't bring the money, he go die, they go kill him. All those people, they cover their eye with gun. And they wear army clothes, they dress like Arab. They call they beat the man. The man called they cry. I hope many people donate money to that family that time. After they don't donate the money, they can't not say they before one night. Many people come out for video, live video that time. They talk and say, that money, when you can't scam people for live video, when you call they cry, when everybody donate that money for you, if anything wanna use the money, do you not go ever better for now? When they detect, say all those people na for one night. Okay. Then another one don't come again now because they don't say they succeed for that one. They don't bring another one come again. But why we know they try to use our common sense? Now make that our comedian man, what is they call Eda? He asked that boy, say, what it be your name? Say, na common sense. But that's your common sense. You know they use them. You understand me? So, small time now, they go get to live video presenter. So, anytime those things, they come out, they go, they tell you, say, maybe they promote them so that they give you your share. Now, what you want start to they happen be this. So, when that lady, they do it yesterday, they shake because maybe she never understand. Now, make her they shake, the thing, they pepper them. Okay, make I give you one example. Example one give to the time when Nollywood people, whether they use their picture, they scan women for live video. Una not for Facebook. Una not did there. Una not here. Not be we still come out, can't stop them. So te Mama Gladys enter inside this matter. I can't still catch them. As me to enter that time. When they come for the Nama, they talk or go pretend say be woman. Man, bikini, I know belly. Your husband, no belly. That's what you never know for height. They go they call her your husband not belly. They shoot him. He the hospital. Hey, I don't know what I go do. They said that 400,000. They go take pray to the boy like to come out. They do me. But me, I do sense because that time I even newly come out for prison. That time I don't even get time for that rubbish. I just they laugh. We can't they take the man, they do jeje. We take carry do jeje. Me and my friends them. I'll give the food. They take a do jeje. Nyanga we scatter around. We take a do jeje. At the end of the day, I even say na only me oh. Before I come here say, when we can start this live video, I come here say many people they bring the matter on social media. And as we still they talk now, so Mugu still they for put all the name of man when he get baby, when he get height. Every day they still they send me requests for here, but I know they accept them. Unless if I want to insult them, I'll just say, hey, hi, 419. Why are you calling me for one? May I call you for a video call? If you say me call you for video call, tell her raise your hand. You go off the. You can say I'm not hearing you. I'm not hearing you. You go bring the video. When my godson do in the old days, you go bring and put for the front of the camera. Who they do all these things? Na Igbo people. My sister will do this video yesterday. And they try to educate you for this thing where they happen. So all these things na scam because everywhere that they go, everything don't they leak. So wait till we go bring come out now this one. Wait, may I tell you, as Arab, I don't want to bring that thing because I don't know whether Facebook no like them. Maybe they not come block my live my Facebook. I don't know. I for show people this thing. But my people, why it be say if something just come out like this, we go just a hurry to get to the end of the matter, or make people call they donate money, make they take go rescue that guy. If case not take it, that man when they measure the name, the man I cover eye the beat. Now so they take the beat person. Now so they take the beat person. You hold me. I see and as they take the flogger, that one a flogging. If Arab people want to deal with you, may you go look page whether they deal with people for desert. That you go see get mad, mark no day in body. You go see get mad, they say, hey. Go look as Arab people take they deal with people for this thing. It gets the time where they show them. Even woman that they take they treat woman. They go tie woman hand like this, tie her leg. They use electric, they beat her for her private parts. You know, since Arab take they treat people, men, they go tie leg, tie her jaw wood. The leg no go reach ground. The leg no go reach ground. It go there inside son. You know the same. That one where they put for one corner, be still long. Nothing still stay be. Then they use this thing, the flag. I don't know whether if I show them, I go see the trick when I want to tell now. Then all these people where they beat them, they know they show their face. They go call you something tie face like Arab. They go call, they say, hey, bring money. If you not bring the money, why we Nigeria, some of us, they fool ourselves. Small time now people go, they donate money for that rubbish. The thing when are supposed to they donate money, all of the day Facebook. Una not see one woman when come out that day. That woman person show her. That woman person show her. The woman born. As the born finish, they can't get problem. He test that come out. Now so the woman take they live up to date. We not cry for that one, make they carry money come, make we take help that woman to fly abroad, make they come put that intestine inside again. If you see that woman, the day when I say I cry. So when you be say all those nonsense things when they want contest scan una money now una go they talk about for social media. Sister, I know insult you and true, you know insult me yesterday. You just respect me. Sister Linda, tell me why. Tell me why you know insult me. I don't feel insult you. Una no see say that thing na scam. Okay, why be say this year na two? Now you don't use person for collateral. As you dey talk am, you don't ever see where they use human being for collateral. You don't ever see them for your life. As me job be now, person just go carry 10 million or 20 million, go say me here boy, he constant put. I know they stand put. So my people, all those things na lie, na scam. Because me, I don't see Arab don't they show am as they take they treat human being. If to say that man hold the money, you go see how the man body as blood go the throw when I go even motivate people. Hey, my brother, if you not bring the money, you the craze. We did that one at the door. And a lie. They want just use that one take that one what they do around the April, May. Now the thing happen. I say I'm for Nigeria. I be want to do video. I just say make a value, maybe not true. Because me, I don't say that one not true because they carry AK-47, all those this thing. They just because the business that they do it together. You understand me? So the one where this one yesterday, I don't know if I show her whether they go want me. I don't know. Because me, I know say that thing not be real. So if anybody wants to see, you go to Mama Boy page. I don't share and put for there, and I still share that lady. He say, may everybody help her share. Now I help her share. The way when the woman body they read, not be her photo because she thinks say not true. But me, I not say na fake. You understand? So make her try pray the woman voice more. Not be her fault.
Switch off my light for you to see the video very well, because if not, the light will refer into this thing. That means sometimes I like to wear my glass because they flash into my eyes sometimes, and my eyes they pain me. That makes me sometimes they wear glass, they do my chat because of the light and the phone of it. You know, I know go make you the face camera like this all the time because of your eyes. You know, you have to protect your eyes. In case if you be speaker, most of the time I try to the wear glass. At least I be Delta Libo, right? I'm from Delta Libo now. I'm on the shop Biafra. Biafra today, Biafra. Every platform that they talk about Biafra. If I talk about Biafra, I will cause of, I will shake me for now. If I'm not being cut on myself, love on myself. I believe say people that they cooperate well. I think so that they cooperate. Why you see on myself they make money? Standing, when I use myself they do guarantee of money. You go use your brother stand finish. My sister, do not get angry. A lot in order not to get sick. Let me tell you, see, make I tell you, now once that person they talk, you understand me? You get just have to talk. You understand me? If you want me Nigeria better, no be say we go say something, we go quiet. The romantic good evening, my welcome. See, you know, see the reason why Nigeria, my sister, do not get angry again a lot in order not to get sick. I'm telling you, see the reason as Azan, you see the reason why Nigeria is spoiled like this. If you see something, don't say don't talk. If you see something, don't talk. It's none of your business. You understand? After all, now my brother they beat, now my brother they flog, and now my brother they won't kill. See the reason, see the reason why we are talking now. You say I should not get sick. I understand. I understand that you concerned about me. But if I don't talk, you not stand as guarantor for anybody. Especially when you concern money, do not do that, please. So that they will not just kill you.
So you hear the woman voice. I don't know if I share the video, if I show the video, whether they
because
go.
Most of people they don't get hurt.
Today is Sunday, 13th of September, 2020. Please, Emmanuel Mbawide, please. Emmanuel, because send the runde ego. I have not done anything bad to you. Send the runde ego. These people are killing me. Look at where these people have kept me in the desert. Please, Emmanuel, because we all done medical. Please, send these people their money, please. Please, please, please. Please, please. Emmanuel, because send the runde ego. Because send the runde ego. Please, send their money to them, please. Please.
Una hear the voice. So all these things, me, iye boy, I no go ever believe. Okay, why it be say this thing now? It don't happen this 2 times this year, oh. Because the money where they say they carry for the first one, no be small thing. Because that one I just say, now the first time, it just show say na real. Everybody just say, hey, may we help the man, may they bring account. There's a lot of the money put for the account. They call laugh, mumu people. So now Igbo people start this thing, and now Igbo still start all those things where we say that they use my godson, Zuronye, all those people, they use they scan for Facebook. Now Igbo people. If you call them, they go say they are from. If they call you, they say, where are you from? I'm from Igbo. I'm from Elungu. I'm from Imo State. I'm from there. I'm there, America. Now so you get 1, 2 pikin. Now so you carry the mama con. Now so the mama con go the friend another person. Now so the pikin now only 1 pikin. He can carry and go give him mama for Ebola. After 2 days for inside, he go say he get accident or thief shoot him. Mumu girls when they find boy when they want marry man when get wife get children, they go they send their money inside. Now this live video all of them call they cry that time. May God forbid bad thing. Money when I tell the clean the day yash. Now I go give man when I even know for Facebook. I never even see him. I never chop the cassava. I all carry money go say go give him. Now so that I don't know say some of our people as we still they educate the rich for social media, they still they fall that mugu. See this one now don't come now. Now so they still beat that one that time. Oh, they want kill them. Everybody. Now so they begin to donate money for that man. After they don't donate money for that man don't even call live video. One day can't thank people when donate the money because they don't cash mugu. As that one pay now, they can still put small gap. Mona go mama boy war, mona go see whether that thing nari. All those people when they beat you, they go cover their eye. If true you hold the money, they go show their face. Say, make una see my face. Now this man hold me so amount. If he don't give me, I go kill him. But you know they happen like that, they go cover their face. Whether na rubber gun they put for all body, una no know. So that sister yesterday. It dey vex. She dey vex. She think say na real. But I try to tell her, say this thing not be real. Damn fake. So say they not go feed all the beat person like that now. If not fake, the person go just the beating is too much. I say see all those people. Una never know. That beating where they beat you. Una know whether they beat you. Una know whether they edit that. Na K. That small K when they take the flog. Arab people, if they want to deal with you. Oh God, may God not let us see that kind of thing in Jesus' name. Even our guests will follow road come. Now they fit testify how Arab they treat human being. We be say all those people, they don't hold them all. They don't hold them 1 naira, just heart of wickedness. They treat them like that. If they ask their money, they go give. If they ask the money, they go give them. Collect their phone, collect everything. But they will still deal with them like that. So let's say you go stand for money for person. Now the person not return the money. You go still see mad when you take the talk. Are you people mad? Una say I don't know as English say they make that parable say you can fool some people sometimes. You cannot fool all everybody all the time. I don't know as they make that parable. But when they begin to the full loss Nigeria all the time is very bad. This one generally they come out now. If you now not cut them off now, see they come now. Another thing go happen. I don't tell them just now say small time they go come find person for live video when they go take they promote that their business. When they go just say they just post and give her the person will just they share her. They do live video on top every day. May we try help them, may they not go kill them. May we try help them, may they not go kill them. The mumu one, the mumu and the mugus one. Nigeria people, I don't know what they are right for them, whether they correct. At first they talk and say I no go school. At the manager the right. So now go they help me they correct them. You understand me? So Nigeria people, may we shine our eye. It's time for us to shine our eye. May people not feel they scan us again for this live video. This live video, if they bring and come, make we use and they educate ourselves. I don't know why our people see the for that mugu. If you not bring the money, they got kill you. Serious is a kill. Are you mad? Are you kidding me? Which kind of thing be this one? They just see we Nigeria finish, pata. They just see us finish. They just see us finish, and it's very bad. Any small thing, they go call live video, call the share, make una donate money. Come. Will you people dead there? Una dead there. Okay, why they not do a private video? Make the center go give the man. Why? May una from there look waiting at the talk, so whether at the pick sense for inside. Why they not do it privately? They go say that go give the man. Say, come on. See the condition when I do. If you don't bring this money, they won't kill me. But you come put out for video, live video, make the whole world they see. Are you people mad? As I don't start this video now, people go say, wait till they worry this woman. Hey, not get see party. Because me, I'm not saying na fake. So I not fake get see party for waiting be fake. The one when me see real, na be better one. This lady will do this video yesterday. She shared that woman home. I don't know whether she don't do video put. That woman when he test that come out. Now so it take the leaf is there. Since when he bought that picking. I don't see who talk about that woman. Make people go help that woman. I don't know where she come from. I cry when I see her. You might be they live with this kind of thing. So this one will be saying body job complete. They don't want to use how do. They use computer. They carry people money. Una go still carry una money. Una go put for there. Say all the name say I want pity. Okay, that one when they carry money go give that time. Why you not die? Before they una donate the money go give them. So they don't still bring another one for una now. Una still donate the mugu one. My followers, more now help me share this video. Make it reach everywhere. I still want me this my auntie when we do this video yesterday, sister. I just they tell you yesterday. I not be small picking. I don't old. I be old woman. Maybe my daughter even feel senior you. But I know the reason when I they tell you yesterday. Say now 419. But una not go like to collect her from person. I not blame you, oh my love. Now the way when you take say they pay you for body. Because they do one, you go drop be like say real make una for drop money. Now make they do one like that. After they just now they go laugh. The guy go come out body. If small mark day body go treat him. So family that a drop. So family mugu for make a man chop. My people, these things na lie. The boy, the man, they're not using as collateral. They collateral, no, and me wayata here So now audio, if to say the audio, now audio they do it to say not be audio, for sure. I'm not sure say the feel because of that one. Of my Mona listen, only voice.
Today is Sunday, 13th of September.
Now day before yesterday they do one.
Please, Emmanuel Mbawide. Please, Emmanuel, because send the ego. I have not done anything bad to you. Send the ego. These people are killing me.
You see him?
These people are killing me in the desert. Please, Emmanuel, because we are just made. Please, send these people their money, please. Please. Emmanuel, because send them the ego. Because send them the ego. Please, send their money to them, please. Please.
Now the year he will pay. So now the man voice be that they use K they flogger. So una know why that they do want make it be real so that made the mugus drop. Nobody go believe me now because that woman, if you hear this video, you no go believe. But me, trust me, they tell you say they don't find everywhere. No waiting they go take the scam again. Everybody don't they cash them. They come up with another one. That Lollywood actor people, that's what they use. They really use our ladies make money where mostly our Benin people, our Edo State people. I don't know what they find for fine boy body. People when get name, you know if you carry person for streets. Carry man for street, clean her, give her name. Give her name. Not be the one where another person don't give her name finish. Now go they put money or work in no phone heavy agbosameji. Nigeria people, it's time for us to shine our eye. All these people now latest one, now 2 times, now 2, now they see for this year. The other one they first do that day. Everybody me cry self. I don't know say na fake. That one self na fake. People come out for live video to say I know say this thing go come up again. I for save everything. Maybe some people when you know how to save something now, they go still dead there. They go still call the brigand come and make the still see. You know say if things don't they too much like this, people always save and they go the brigand come out. This one at the second one now, I'm gonna shout now. The third one go still come before December. Now let's say December don't they call, they don't they find money when they want go to do a day shift for Igbo land. When they want carry go home, go they say oh day shift. The other one go say see your friend. You never reach 1 year we go Dubai. You never reach 1 year we go South Africa. You never reach 1 year we go India. See don't make them. The money when they go they scatter for them. My people, may we shine our eye. No be now life of social media now life of everybody go they who go they advise who go they spoiler but this the one we get brave for his side go they use their head. All these things now lie now fake. Now make me just quickly come out this morning because on the 13th now that's the start of video put on the 14th which is yesterday. Today now is 15 if I'm not mistaken. Yes, today is 15. You see then, you see their 419. I first talk say is getting to a time. If we get to a time, they will attach themselves with one live video presenter or 2. So that many of those people they carry and fast. May Mugus go they donate when they sit there, they say, see your share. If they drop any amount when they drop, now this one will be your own share. Una not say Benin they take and make party, but my guys say all season. It go still get to a time. When the tea go call leak. Now my age be this. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello, boy.
Yati we ban ire live video gun ka finish ne. Yati we ban ire live video gun ka finish ne. So you understand me so? My people, may we shine our eye. Not be everything they go they carry us mugu. I know that system don't come again. Oh. I know that bajo tongue don't come again. Una not go here now as the talker. Sister, I no hate anybody. Whether you be Igbo, you be Yoruba, be as far as we be Nigeria. See, as I write and say our Nigeria people, may we shine our eye. I know that trick don't they come. Oh. These people na lie. Oh. Na lie. Why it be say about April, May, another one happen. And now September again, another one don't happen again. Now only una when be but when they the country, they just do collateral. Now only una. Now only una. Now good morning, my people. Me una no first say I no first greet. Now sharp video. Now good morning. Now only una Igbo people, now only una dey that country when be say now una they carry go desert, go the key, go the tie hand, go back. The fit tie my hand, go back now. My own the fit tie go back. If I start to make money with all those useless evil thing and they do, they go tie hand, go they cry, hey, they go they flog me with that thing where they take the flog you. If you be say na atete, emi atete, ebalo, you know they pay. They use how they flog you. You understand me so? My people, may we shine our eye. Not be every time just less people go come they collect money. See, if you see the man BS alone, if you see BS, and the man not be young man, oh, all the BS don't white finish, whether na color the put, I don't know, because the man head not white as the BS white. Mona go Mama Boy Linda page. Mama Boy Linda. Mona go to my profile. Mona go see her there. My wall. May not be page, my wall. Mona go my wall. He did there. I share and put for there yesterday. Mona see am. That thing is fake. It's not real. If una like, una believe me. If una like, make una not believe. But now the truth of the matter be that I bet my people mona subscribe to my YouTube, like my page, Mama Boy page. Then my YouTube name now Ileledo Talk Show. Please, my people, subscribe to Ileledo Talk Show. Make I put the name. Ileledo Talk Show. See am here. Subscribe, my people. I love you. I beg you, my people. More na no donate money. I no hate the person. Now the truth be that. Now fake. Now fake. Now that one they want carry con now because the you know that is 419. Not they drop for them again. Many people don't get their system. So wait till they want start to the use as like you now. If I see who they beat, they want kill. I not go help. I go help. Maybe we still try this way. But it get to one day where they go say maybe they try themselves. The person go just die like that. You now go they hear cry like with that one man that time when they say make they come pretend say he died. They put her for coffee. They carry and go church. Now be when they open a bus now the man don't die. Now the woman call pastor. Pastor, you not tell me like this. Oh, you not tell me say my husband go die. Oh, una not hear her. Not be this Facebook. Not be this live video. All of us dey. We hear her. So if people now waiting they carry come out now to scam people, now to go tag them for completed building, or they go their house, they scatter out their house, they say na person where the whole money, where he brought my brother, as I just be now my brother go just come, he go say sister, or not be brother, or maybe say if we don't reach, as all of us there Europe now, both Igbo, Yoruba, all of us they call ourselves brothers and sisters. Because we did but one business, I'll just come, cause say I beg I want 100 million constant put. You go stand. May we talk through. Una go stand. We not plenty for una go stand. We be say we know we way they talk so we know as Arab they treat human being. We know even hold them 1 naira. Talk less a person we hold them. Now they go beat like that. Before you even come out, you know we get it for mat again. Your nose, everything blood go they come out. They go they cut you as they cut llama. They not go kill you, they go they cut you small. Make people but see and say na real. Not be that one way you they do. Hey, come on, your BS never stay. Even your body now when they call the flag it come for down. Yeah, you they crazy. Now they mad. Our people, I beg. I take God beg all of them in the name of God. May we shine our eye. Not be every useless thing we go they put our money. Not be every useless thing we go they put our money. Ha! It don't too much. Mona help me share this video because people not there. Mona help me share and make people enter, make they see hear what they talk. Mona share and where make people dey. I know say that money everybody dey and everybody dey work. You understand me so? I beg everybody in the name of God. May we shine our eye. May we shine our eye because all these people they come again with another ogbonge talk. Oh, they come with another ogbonge lies. When be say every time una go they bring one thing or the other to scam people. I beg my people. Make una shine una eye. Mostly our Edo people, una too dey pity people. Although we dey fight ourselves, that one and man. But if it reach here, we go help. We dey help. We know they see take I see who they cry. Benin people, Edo State people, all of us from Edo State, we know they like to see take I see who they cry. We must help. I beg everybody in the name of God. More than not they fall this kind of thing. Because that one will first happen around April. They say many people really donate money, made them for not kill the man and a lie. So as they say that one work well. If you see now the same people. Wanna look them well, not the same people. Now I see they do so. Why una know they open una face? This one a secret one I do where we don't know. For example, when they go take person stand as collateral, do we did there? We did there? No. So if person whole person, I take the drawing money, you go do short video with that beating where you they beat them. Not put on, not do have live video, not put on for Facebook. Say that, go give the man direct. When I get the man WhatsApp, when I get everything, you will say that, go give him. If he block you for everywhere, he go get free. We see the rich when you go give, say, when you go even call, say, come on, the way they treat your friend for this side, they bad though. But when I go come put on for Facebook, when I go define, go donate money for una take pay. And a lie. December don't they call now. Una don't do Easter home. So na December una want do na una take buy different car carry go una town. Go they blow una ndari ego le go. Ah, una kedi, una riego. The way we take get the money, it's not good. Una no know. The way we take get the money, una no know. Not to scam all the whole world. Take home. My people, may we open our eye. Now the short video, when I can't do today be this. Maybe if I want to enter live video for Chichi today, I go still Chicha in the evening. If I can't feel come out, I go still Chicha in the evening. My people, may we they hear word though. Maybe a word is a no for a while. It's all I say. Never do romanticism or romanticism or romanticism. So understand me so. I beg you, my people of Nigeria. May we donate money for better thing. May we not donate money for useless people when they don't want to use hand eat. They don't want to use hand work. They don't want work. They only want to start for live video. They collect people money. So our people now, they go just see here. In short, I'm not sure say this one go fit get money as the first one because that one a first target and it catch and bang. Then December they come now, they don't bring another one come. Then April next year again, they go bring another one come. They not go want to the Russian now so that maybe we not quite understand. But from next year, you go see na every month you go see searching for live video. Why it be say na so that country, so the same dressing. Now that they dress, they collect their money for collateral. My people, may we wise, may we shine our eye, may we open our eye well because this thing na lie, On Sunday, now today na Sunday, 2000 and enemy. I want that. May you die now. Eh? So, yeah. See there. Now they hear there. Me I start am. If you see the map here, today
is Sunday, 13th of September, 2020. Please, Emmanuel Mbawide. Please. Emmanuel, because send Elunde Ego. I have not done anything bad to you. Send Elunde Ego. These people are killing me. Look at where these people have kept me in the desert. Please, Emmanuel, because we all done made. Please, send these people their money, please. Please. Please.
Una hear they never beat am. Una know na the time where Libya road. Una see as they treat our women, talkless men. All those people, they know what the money or they know what they want out. Now they go even collect all their money. They go still treat them any put. When be say you now do what they use the amount when una come for live video, make the whole world can donate for una. I beg my people, may we not fool ourselves for all those useless people. Some of people when no one use hand work. Where they type computer take the shop. If you see as the man clean, now old man, if you see as he clean, you when they suffer the money, when you want to go to a pity person, release person, you not get them. If na person where they sick now, for they cry, for still do video. I say if you na see one woman, if I try today, I go post the woman, I see her. I go post her, I see that woman. That woman was supposed to do live video 10 times. For that woman, may they donate money for that woman, may they take help her. If you see waiting that woman, they pass through God. Oh, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. This one we just clean. If you see beer, we take the Arab country, whether na that one, this one are not go pass people with the what is the Dubai side. Now their work job be that one for that side. They know they do another work there. All of that by 10 of them just they one room. In the night, this time now they sleep. In the night they just wake up na computer. Now they face. So my people, may we wise. These people na lie. Now money not they drop again. Now the way when they want start to they carry people money. Now they just take come out again. Now 2 times in Nigeria. Now this kind of thing don't happen. So now only una we be Igbo. Now they take una brother they do collateral. Ole una nyash go soon open. I don't go give una warning now. Mona stop her. Mona not bring her come out again. Maybe that woman I pay her, I make her talk her. She not even know. She don't. If they prepare her for body now, wait to see. I'm not sure say she first see the first one. That first one even horror pass this one, huh? That one, you don't know how many men I face that man. That one horror pass this one. This one, and only one person me they see for there. But that one, they just gather that man. That one just be like real. You understand? But this one, I not too much real like that one. Now only one man, now they run up and down there with the gun, everything there. Why not they cover like me? Person hold me. If I want to go deal with the person, I no go cover my face. All of now, una go cover una face. Tato army uniform for you. If you like, go buy 100. Wear even dress like army. Police no go even stop you. Say why you dress like this? Are you army? They not get time for you. You understand? So everybody is entitled to go and buy. We do what you want to do. Una not imagine that one. Why you see these people? Anytime they do this thing, they cover their face. You go put your face now. Not be hold. They hold you. I put your face when they say you they treat and fuck up. Una go cover una face. Una go they only show the person when they beat like movie. I bet my people. Now the short video when I can do this morning be that in a scam, not be truth. Auntie, my love, you know say they tell you yesterday say na 419 and you they follow me and you say na lie. Na lie, Linda come and tell me why. Come and they tell you why because it don't first happen before. Now they make me come tell you don't first happen this year too. When we say people donate money for the man where and I see people will come and say that thing a fake, they cost heavy cost for some women like that come out. About 4 women come and say as you take collect the whole world money put for pocket. Now so God go still disgrace you follow the whole world. That man up to today, you not come and say, make una thank you or people when you help me do this thing. That man not come out for live video one day, thank anybody. He go use una money, buy car, build house, build mansion for a country. So another one now don't come because they know what they realize. Now the same people. Now the same people, not be say another people. The same people. So since now only una the collateral people, they keep people, more than they kill una self there. With the those we don't have money to put for that rubbish again. Because me, I know say our people will put money before now. I tell God, beg every one of us, may we shine our eye. All those people now lie. Now I know that fake things when they want carry come. Now be that. Because it don't first happen. I know that second one now. Next year now they go increase that. It go be 3 or 4 times when they go do one. When I go mark them. So now the short message be that. Thank you all. Love you all. Bye-bye.